Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a wonderful day. I just got my latest toy and figured I'd do an unboxing here for anybody who has any interest in buying one of these or is just curious. This is the new Unitree Go2 robot dog. I bought the Pro version, which comes with the follow-along remote, which I'll show you as I break it down, but also for an extra $250, you get a more capable remote control that you use in conjunction with a smartphone. The smartphone is primarily to aid in seeing what the camera up front and the LiDAR is picking up, so you can kind of see what the robot sees as it's entering into a room or traversing just an outdoor situation. One thing you need to be made aware of, this is not waterproof at all, so I still need to find out from the manufacturer about running this thing on damp grass, if even that is not advisable. So anyways, let's open this thing up. Oh, and another thing I want to tell you is when you open up the box, which will be just slightly bigger than this, make sure that you do get this remote if you buy the remote, and make sure your battery is in there, and make sure your leg calibrator is also in there. This goes over the leg on the outside to give the robot its proper leg orientation. I think I'm going to have to do this. Well, I should read the instructions, but I think I'll probably have to perform this when I do its first power up. So anyways, make sure that you get this. Oh, and another thing, this thing is heavy. The box, the shipping weight is 22 kilograms, which works out to what, 49, 50 pounds. It's heavy. The robot itself is something like 30 some pounds. So it's not a light robot, and it probably has a lot to say for its build quality. So it comes in a real nice case that we got. I'm gonna have to pause this. It's heavy. Boy, oh boy. It's really cool that you get also wheels and, let's see, where's the, oh, there we go, handle for shipping if you're going to take it with you somewhere. That's a real nice feature. I've had these cases supplied on some of my remote control vehicles, which I never did post any of the vehicles, or I mean any of the videos for those. They were, let's see, I had two Hemmets that were, I think, 12 scale. Then I got a Humvee, and I've got a, I'm not sure I don't know if it's an Oshkosh, but they refer to it as bomb explosive survivability vehicle, and it's a pretty impressive RC vehicle. But they all came in these cases which were a little bit more foam based, and I wasn't too confident when I first saw that this was what they were going to supply in the videos that I had seen for this, which I almost made the mistake and bought the the Go1 last year's model, and I'm so glad I didn't, because this is so much more capable. And I do want to thank Tom from Dignity Lifts, his company, Video. He really supplied quite a nice hands-on video, which is what, and a whole series of other videos, which is what I used to determine or decide whether I wanted to buy one of these things or not. And because the Go1 Pro, I couldn't find any videos on it, and it was not near as capable as this one here. So anyways, oh, this isn't good. I don't have, oh, had me scared. In all the videos, the follow remote was in this little cavity. I looked in there and it wasn't there. Well, they put it in the instruction with the USB cable, the inspection sticker, and I guess this is the quick start booklet. It comes with extra feet, which I need to look at these. I need to see if these have any sensors in them, because if they don't, then I'll plan on coming up with a method of rebuilding these things when they wear out. If they have sensors in them, it might be a little bit more challenging. So anyhow, let's break this guy out and let's see. Oh, here's your remote for your main battery. Make sure you charge your batteries before you attempt to do anything with this guy, because one thing that they showed was when the power goes out on this, it just drops, and with the weight of the robot, depending on what material you're on, even if it is somewhat padded, it's going to hit with quite a substantial thud, and I don't think you want to damage your robot before you ever have a chance to really enjoy it. So again, make sure you charge all your batteries for your remote and for your robot before you attempt to turn it on. So anyways, let's pull this guy out. Oh man. There we go. And then further down in here, you got a stand for him. And oh, I guess there's a specific way it has to go together. Well, there's a flat. Oh, there we are. I was going to say there's a flat there, and I didn't see where it aligned. And why is this not? There we are. Okay, there are keys to align this, so just don't push it together like I did. Make sure. There you go. There we are. And now, let's give me a second here. Okay, this seems to have been freshly programmed, so this may have the latest software. There was some issues with the obstacle avoidance feature on the robot not being very, let's say, intuitive, so you'll definitely want to make sure you've got the latest software. Wow, the legs are all metal. Need to make sure you have it in the right position before you do start up. We're not going to start it up right now. I've got to charge the main battery, and we'll pick this video up later, probably tomorrow. What is this? This is nothing. Oh, so jazzed! I can't believe how fast I got this. I ordered, unlike Tom from Dignity Lifts, he ordered his from Unitree direct. I was a little leery because this is an expensive toy. My total with tax and everything from Amazon was $45.88. He, I think, spent a little bit less, but if there was anything that happened in transit, I felt that I at least had Amazon to use as a, I guess it would be a proxy to go after Unitree to get a refund, but I didn't have to worry. This thing came fast. They were projecting a month plus from the time I placed the order to the time I got it. It came in less than 14 days. I ordered it on the 16th of February and got it today. Today is March 5th, so very impressed. Came UPS. I didn't pay any duty, which was another thing I was concerned about. A lot of this stuff comes with a 25% tariff, so I did not get. I did not have to pay that, so I guess it's all included in the total cost. Tom also didn't have to pay it, but I think that may be because he ordered it, and I'm not positive, but I think because he ordered it through his company, it was probably allowed through. So anyways, and sorry about the rambling. I don't do videos very well. All right, another thing I want to be sure you're aware of, and I was always concerned about, this is a LiDAR here in the front, and you'll see it spins, and it is a light emitting radar device. It doesn't use radio waves, it uses light, hence the term LiDAR. And it spins and is very delicate. It's in an enclosure, but still, you want to avoid any pressure, impacts, or strikes against this. It would be an expensive repair if you had to get this fixed, because you're going to have to send it back to China. You're not going to get it fixed here in the States. At least I don't think so. I'll find that out when I read the manuals. I don't think there's any place here in the States that is set up to fix these. So. I think it was something like dropped from China, $1,600, some ridiculous price like that. You're not going to get a full warranty. Okay. All right, I need to check. I think you got to make sure you have this guy parked in the right position when you turn him on. So. There are pads on the belly, so you're not setting it directly on the robot's exterior casing. There's actual little pads that it sits on. And I was surprised. This is all metal. I mean, I thought this was plastic. The upper arms are metal. The lower seems to be a heavy grade plastic. I'm not sure what the material is, but quite substantial. I'm very impressed with the build quality. All right. Oh. Battery goes on this side here. This is a motor-driven handle lanyard that comes out quite a length for like holding things to carry it. I plan on making a 3D and printing out a 3D basket that'll sit on here. Let's see. Yeah, I definitely want to improve the color scheme here. So anyhow, that's it for now until I get the batteries charged. So we'll see you in the next half. Bye.